Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Speak English Flow, the podcast that helps you speak English in real life situations. I'm Emma.
And I'm Mohin. And today we are talking about one of the most important English situations in your life, one where you really need the right words.
Going to the doctor.
Yes, the doctor. And I know for many English learners, this is one of the most stressful English moments because you are not just nervous about your English, you are also nervous about your health.
Two kinds of nervous at the same time.
Exactly. And when you can't explain what you feel, when you don't have the words, it is so frustrating and sometimes even scary.
So today we are going to fix that. We're going to give you the exact words and phrases you need. So the next time you go to a doctor who speaks English, you can explain everything clearly, confidently.
This episode is for A1 and A2 learners, complete beginners and elementary level. But honestly, even B1 learners will find useful phrases here.
Let's go.
Before we start the phrases, let's talk about why the doctor is such a difficult situation for English learners. Because I think when we understand the problem, we feel better.
Yes, so 3 reasons the doctor is difficult. Reason 1, medical words are new and strange.
Yes, words like nausea or dizzy or prescription. These are not everyday words. Even advanced learners sometimes don't know them.
Reason 2, you have to describe something you feel inside your body, and that is very personal and sometimes hard to explain even in your own language.
So true. It hurts, but how does it hurt? Sharp? Dull? Burning? These are difficult questions, even when you know the language well.
And reason 3, you are emotional, you are worried, you are uncomfortable, maybe in pain. And as we learned in episode 3, when you are stressed, your English gets harder.
So the doctor situation combines all of our challenges: difficult vocabulary, describing feelings, and stress. That is why so many learners feel completely lost.
But after today, not anymore. We are giving you a complete toolkit. Let's start. Okay, let's start from the very beginning. You arrive at the doctor's clinic or hospital. What do you say first?
At the reception desk, the first person you speak to. Here are your phrases. Repeat after me, everyone. I do not have an appointment. Can I see a doctor today?
I am not feeling well.
I need to see a doctor as soon as possible.
Perfect. Now the doctor calls you in. You sit down. The doctor says, "So, what brings you in today?" Or, "How can I help you?"
And this is your moment. You explain why you were there. Here are the most useful starting phrases.
I have a pain in my chest. I have a pain in my stomach. I have a pain in my back. I have been feeling sick for 3 days. I have been feeling dizzy for 2 days. I have a fever. I have a cough. I have a sore throat. I feel very tired all the time.
Beautiful. Those phrases alone can start almost any doctor conversation. Simple, clear, effective.
Now, the doctor will almost always ask, "Can you describe the pain?" And this is where many learners get stuck. So let us learn pain words right now. It is a sharp pain, like a knife. It is a dull pain, not sharp, but always there. It is a burning pain, like fire. It comes and goes, not always there. It is constant, always there, never stops. The pain is getting worse. The pain started 3 days ago.
And the doctor might also ask, on a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the pain? So you say a number. Easy.
Yes, it is about a 7. Simple, but very useful.
Now, the doctor might also ask where exactly it hurts. Let us learn some body location phrases.
It hurts here. Point to the place on your body. The pain is in my lower back. It hurts on the right side. It hurts on the left side. The pain goes from my neck to my shoulder.
With these phrases, you can describe almost any pain to any doctor. You do not need perfect grammar. You just need these phrases and your finger to point.
Pointing is always allowed at the doctor.
Okay, not all problems are about pain. Let us cover some other important symptoms. Emma, take it away.
I feel nauseous. This means you want to vomit. I have been vomiting. I feel dizzy. The room feels like it is moving. I cannot sleep. I have no appetite. I do not want to eat. I have a rash, red skin, itchy skin. I have swelling here. Point to the area. I have difficulty breathing.
Now, very important, the doctor will ask about your medical history. Here are phrases for that.
I am allergic to penicillin. I am allergic to aspirin. I am taking medication for high blood pressure. I have a history of diabetes. I have a history of asthma. I had surgery on my knee in 2019.
And finally, phrases when you do not understand the doctor.
These are so important. Do not be shy to use them. Could you speak more slowly, please? Could you write that down for me? I'm sorry, I did not understand. Can you repeat that? What does that word mean?
Any good doctor will be happy to help you understand. Never be embarrassed to ask. Your health is the most important thing. Okay, now we put it all together, a full doctor conversation. Listen carefully, then repeat the patient lines out loud. I am the doctor. Emma is the patient. Ready? Good morning. Please sit down. So, what brings you in today?
Good morning, doctor. I have a pain in my stomach. It started 3 days ago.
I see. Can you describe the pain? Is it sharp or dull?
It is a sharp pain. It comes and goes. Sometimes it is very strong, maybe an 8 out of 10.
And where exactly is the pain? Can you show me?
It is here on the right side. Sometimes the pain goes to my back.
Do you have any other symptoms? Nausea? Fever?
Yes, I feel nauseous in the morning and I have no appetite.
Are you taking any medication or are you allergic to anything?
I am not taking any medication, but I am allergic to penicillin.
Okay. I'm going to examine you and then we'll run some tests. I will write you a prescription after.
Thank you, doctor. Could you write down the name of the tests? I want to make sure I understand.
Did you hear how natural that was? Simple phrases, short sentences, clear communication.
You do not need to be perfect. You just need to be understood. And with today's phrases, you will be. Before we go, I want to say something important to every A1 and A2 learner listening today.
Please say it, Emma.
Going to the doctor in a foreign language is brave. It is one of the hardest things a language learner can do because you are vulnerable, you are unwell, you need help, and you have to ask for it in a language that is not your own.
That takes real courage, and we want you to know, with the phrases from today, you are ready. You have the words, you have the sentences, you can do this.
Practice these phrases before your next appointment. Say them out loud at home. Imagine the conversation. And when you walk into that clinic, you will feel so much more confident.
Leave us a comment below. Tell us, have you ever been to a doctor in English? What happened? We want to hear your story.
And share this episode with someone who might need it. It could really help them.
For me, Mohin,
And from me, Emma.
keep speaking, keep flowing.
See you next time on Speak English Flow.